So I want to design and I want to make some new branding stickers, packaging stickers. I was first using the MUNBYN app on my phone to actually create the stickers, but that app sometimes is a bit frustrating to use because it's hard to move the designs around and sort of get them in the right place. So I'm actually going to use Canva because I made some stickers for our Valentine launch and collection. Canva does a really good job. As long as you have the right size for the stickers that you're going to be printing the design on, you're fine. So these are the old stickers that I've made. So I definitely want to change that. I want to change that design. I don't know if we should really change the back bit. We'll see as well. Yeah, so that's what the design looks like. So that definitely needs to be changed. I want to actually put the social media handles on here as well, and the shop as well, or my Etsy shop. So I want to add all of that in and make it look really nice. So let's do that. I have been using Canva for a really long time and it is perfect for designing. So I'm actually using the paid version, but before I was using the free version. So I would say both versions are really good. Paid version unlocks a lot more features. The design I have come up with, I think it looks pretty cool. We're going to print it out and we'll see how it looks. So these stickers are from MUNBYN and the sizing is 50 times 50 millimeters, and I am using my MUNBYN thermal printer to print out my stickers. Stickers are printed. This is what they look like. I think they look okay. I could have made them a lot more bigger, but I think I'm going to keep it like this for now, and I'm just going to cut around them. Okay, so the care guide label is printed. I'm going to actually make it a bit more bigger so the writing is a lot more clear, because right now it's not that clear and it's hard to read. So let's sort that out. That is way better. So look at the difference. You can read this a lot better and there's more space being used as well. I'm a lot more happier with that. You know what I've just realized? These stickers actually don't have little cuts on it where you can just tear the stickers off individually. It doesn't actually have it on this. So I'm gonna have to actually cut it off. Ta-da! The thank you cards, I'm just gonna put the label there, sticker label, and then on the back we'll do it like that. We can still use that one. You see, with these, I wish I hadn't got these because I can't put no label on the front, but at the back I can only put the care guide, so it's a bit hard. But we know for next time. I don't know how many labels I've printed. I haven't printed off that many in one go, so let's just see how many we can. So should I cut them? I think I should, right? Cut around it a little bit. Test one out and then we'll see. Might not look the greatest, but these cards are pretty small as they are, so it just means that the thank you, the T actually isn't getting covered, because with the stickers itself the T tends to get covered a little bit, and so that is what the sticker looks like. It looks pretty cool. So I've put my shop, Etsy shop, around this side, my social media handle here. Such a mission. Oh, that looks amazing. Perfect. Look at that. I am so happy with that. That's pretty hard to read, right? Obviously, because it's close up, you can sort of read it, but it's so much harder. Whereas the second one that's been enlarged is a lot more easier. That's not bad. That's still in the middle, right? It's in the middle. It's okay. It looks good. I like the little hearts that I've put on there. So yeah, here we go. We're done. And just a disclaimer, none of the products or companies I've mentioned are sponsored or sponsoring this video. I just wanted to mention them and just show you what I use, so that if you do want to use these products or try out some of the companies that I've mentioned, such as Canva, you can do so. But like I said, it is not sponsored. It's just in general things that I have always used or am using that I just know would be helpful for you. I am struggling. Really struggling right now. There we go. Okay, here we go. Nice. Very pleased. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ready to go. So we're just waiting for the 5 orders to come in now, and we have the cards ready. Okay, guides on the back of these. Valentine's collection is now out. You can check it out on my Etsy store, which is linked in the description box below.